right, don't we, on 5FM? Top 40 on 5 it is. This one, your number 11, out of the top 10 for the first time in a long time, down 3 spots. Ahead of that one, Elton John and Dua Lipa with Cold Heart. The Pinel remix stays at number 12 this week. 27 weeks on the chart. Then Major Steez featuring Casper Nyovest, Asbong. 13 weeks on the chart. Last week's number 13. This week's number 13 again. My name's Nick Archibald. It's lovely to be with you just after 1 o'clock. Let's check out what happened in the last hour.
The top 40 on 5. Number 20. Number 20.
Stays at number 20, Post Malone and The Weeknd. It's called One right now. 24 weeks on the chart. Come on.
Number 19.
Heat Waves, Glass Animals, staying at number 19. 33 weeks in the chart on total so far. Go check out the story behind this song. It's live on the app. It's Good Luck, Bird of Paradise. Max Medema and Goldfish teaming up on their track Going Home. No movement for them. Come on, Lost Frequencies and Callum Scott down a further 2 spots this week, 33 weeks on the chart.
Number 15.
One of my favorite songs at the moment, Trezor, Ami Faku, Smoke and Mirrors, up 3 spots today.
Number 14.
Gail still teaching us our alphabet, even though dropping 5 spots so far. 21 weeks in the chart, A, B, C, D, E, F, U.